You are spending on LinkedIn ads for B2B lead generation. Your insight tag is installed, but LinkedIn has no idea which leads became clients. In this video, I will show you the complete LinkedIn tracking setup from insight tag to CAPI to CRM offline conversions. Hi, I'm Zubayer, marketing attribution, conversion tracking, and server-side tracking specialist. LinkedIn ads is one of the highest value platforms for B2B lead gen, but one of the most under-tracked. Today, inside tag, LinkedIn CAPI via step, click ID capture, and offline conversions from your CRM. Standard LinkedIn ads tracking only captures what the browser sees. For B2B with long sales cycle, this creates two major gaps. The inside tag fires on form submit, but LinkedIn never learns which leads became clients. B2B sales cycles are 30 to 90 days, far beyond what a browser conversion can track. Ad blockers are particularly prevalent in B2B audiences. Technical and executive users block more than average. LinkedIn Click ID, code lie_fat_ID, expires and gets lost before conversion in many setups. The complete solution combines server-side CAPI for reliable real-time events and CRM offline conversions for revenue attribution. Step 1. Install LinkedIn Insight Tag via GTM. In LinkedIn Campaign Manager, go to Analyze, then Insight Tag, and select I will use a tag manager, copy your partner ID. In GTM, create a custom HTML tag with your partner ID, set the trigger to all pages, and verify the detection. Step 2. Capture lie_fat_ID for click attribution. LinkedIn appends lie_fat_ID to your ad destination URLs when enhanced conversion tracking is enabled. In GTM, create a URL parameter variable for li_fat_ID and use a script to write it to a 30-day first-party cookie. Store this in your CRM as a custom field. Step 3. LinkedIn conversion events. In Campaign Manager, create two conversion actions, lead for form submissions and client won for closed CRM deals. Copy the conversion event IDs for both. You will need them for your CAPI setup. Step 4. LinkedIn CAPI via step. LinkedIn Conversions API lets you send events server-side, bypassing browser limitations. Generate your access token in Campaign Manager and create a LinkedIn CAPI tag in your step server container. Use a custom HTTP request tag if needed. Configure the payload with the conversion URL, event timestamp, and hashed user data like email. Set the trigger to fire when a lead is generated. Step 5. CRM offline conversions to LinkedIn. When a deal closes, send the client one conversion. Use make.com or Zapier triggered by the one stage. Send the lie_fat_ID from your CRM to attribute revenue back to the original ad click. Step 6. Deduplication. Both your browser and server events will fire for the same lead. Deduplicate using a shared event. Map a URB generator variable to the every parameter in both tags. LinkedIn will deduplicate matching IDs within 24 hours. Testing is critical. Submit a test form and check Campaign Manager within 20 minutes. Verify the CAPI payload in your step preview and ensure the client won conversion appears after marking a CRM deal as won. The results? LinkedIn sees real revenue signal. Ad blockers are bypassed and campaign optimization shifts to qualified leads. For the first time, your cost per client becomes measurable inside LinkedIn Campaign Manager. If you are running LinkedIn ads without copy or offline conversions, message me on WhatsApp or book a free 30-minute audit. Subscribe for weekly tracking tutorials. In 2026, the businesses winning are the ones who fix the infrastructure first. Track revenue, not just clicks.